Hi guys, Dan Stollers here. A very good evening to you all. I hope you're all well at home. Here we go then. We are back with the close-up coins game. This one is actually a little bit easier than usual, and for the main reason, the first 10 people to get all 6 correct will get a bonus entry in tomorrow's giveaway. Good luck then, everyone. All I can say is all of them are commemorative 50p coins. There's actually 2 here not released for UK circulation, one of those being an Isle of Man coin, and you may well see that in the giveaway tomorrow. Again, quite an easy one, this one. Just trying to keep it fun and exciting, and again, getting everybody involved as well. Don't want to make it too difficult for some people. We will be back with a harder one, don't worry about that. We'll do a harder one next week. So 6 coins then, up for guessing. Get them all in the comments again, the first 10 people to get them correct. We'll get a bonus entry into the giveaway tomorrow. They are on loop around 10 seconds each. Just if you're getting stuck on one, move on to the next. Hopefully make it easier. And again, plenty of time for you to get your guesses in the comments as well. Have a blessed evening. Still one more coin hunt to come tonight. I'm going to try get an early night. We'll get on with the Breakfast Club coin hunt nice and early, 6 o'clock tomorrow. And there'll be a few videos through the night for you all. Stay safe and as always, guys, thanks for watching.